separate our legs, nice mat's distance apart. And we're going to move through our rotation with saw and spine twist. So just like we practiced with that rotation that we started with, let's see if we can come back to it, opening those arms out to a T. Go ahead and turn towards me to start. I'm going to inhale to the right, hold a beat. Now I want you to open up more and inhale again, and inhale again, and then exhale, come back through center. So rotate once and feel like, okay, well, I'm there. Now go a little bit further and rotate more. Now like you could even look at your hand, rotate a little bit more, and then pull back towards center. Inhale, pull, pull, and exhale back towards center. So inhale to grow tall, rotate, rotate deeper and center. Once more each way. Inhale to rotate, rotate deeper, and back to center. Last one. Inhale to rotate. Then turn more, and pull back towards center. Bring the hands behind the head. Slide your thumbs down the length of your neck. Soften through the shoulders and lift up to the top of your head. Now we're going to turn. You can turn towards me to start. And I want you to drop the same elbow towards your knee. Lift the stomach away from your quad and stretch open from your elbow to the outside of your hip, and then pull back up. Lengthen to the top of your head. Rotate. Same elbow towards knee. Lift up and over. Can you stay anchored in the opposite hip and reach through the heels? Pull back up. Push your head into your hands. You're not folding forward. You're side bending. Up and over. Up and over. Up. Lift that oblique and pull back up. And back through center. Last one. Rotate. And lift your waist. Lift your waist. Lift your waist. Up, over, and then pull back up. Carefully come through center. Let's reach the fingertips forward for our spine stretch. Like there's a big pillow in front of you. You can't just plow through it. You sort of lift up and over it. So like someone's kind of grabbed your hands. They're pulling you up out of your center. Lift your stomach and reach away. Lift the front of your body and elongate the back of your body. Soften, stacking it back up. Nice and easy. Lift the stomach, lift up and over. Reaching through your legs, reaching through your fingertips, anchoring in your sit bones. Inhale. Exhale, scoop the abdominals. Pull your stomach away from your quads as you stack it all the way back up. Open your arms out to a T. So for me, saw is a combination of that rotation and the forward fold. Stay anchored in your pelvis. Use your upper back to rotate. So turning towards the right. Go ahead, let's drop our back hand down, fold forward. And I want you to picture that that right hand is anchored down onto the mat, like it's growing roots. So you're connected to the mat at the back, and you're actively stretching forward towards the outside of that pinky toe. And then carefully come back up and switch. Rotate through center. Rotate to the left. That left hand drops down onto the mat. Lift your stomach and fold forward. Now don't let that left hand slip away. It's anchoring down onto the mat as though it could actively draw the left shoulder away from the left ear. Stacking back up. Let's do that once more. I want you to really picture that that hand behind you has grown roots, and it's not coming up. It's not coming up. You have to lengthen away from it. Stretch, reaching towards the outside of that pinky toe. And then carefully come back up. Rotate through center. Turn, last one to the left. That left hand drops down. And lengthen away from it. Pulling. Stay anchored in that right hip. And rotate. And carefully come back up. All the way back and soften.